If we look at the vertebrae all put together, we have these discs in between each one. These are rubber, but they would be fibrocartilage in the human body. And so these would be the intervertebral discs. Inter means between, so intervertebral means the discs between the vertebrae. And those are mainly for shock absorption. You would not want bone on bone. You wouldn't fare too well. And then we have holes that are created only when the vertebrae are put together, called the intervertebral foramen. And so that's where the spinal nerves exit the spinal cord, so they can come out to innervate the rest of your body. And so here we see the spinous processes all put together. And if you'll bend your head down towards your belly button, you can actually feel those, or bend down and touch your toes, you can feel those coming out to the back. And so you don't really see it on this model because it's hanging, but in the human being, you would have curves to the spinal cord, which allow you to move correctly. And so you have an anterior curve to the cervical region. You would have a posterior curve, which I can't really do here, for the thoracic region, and then an anterior curve to the lumbar region. And then your sacrum is going to have a posterior curve, which you can probably feel on yourself.